We know we can't design our whole phone according to our choice, no matter how pricey our device is. But in the same world, nothing is doing, well, something truly groundbreaking. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech updates. Nothing has just launched Playground, a bold new app platform that allows users to create their own AI-powered apps just by prompts. Yes, no coding skills required. Forget waiting for developers to build the perfect app for your needs. With Playground, Nothing phone users can use Essential Apps, a built-in AI tool that transforms simple text prompts into fully functional applications. If you want a mood tracker that syncs with your music taste, or a wardrobe assistant that suggests outfits based on the weather, just type it in and let AI do the rest. Nothing's founder Carl Pei said, "This is about devices adapting to people, not the other way around," describing Essential as the company's umbrella for future-facing AI tools. The users can design interactive widgets using this feature right now, but the vision is far more ambitious. Pei sees a future where users can create full apps using just voice commands straight from their phones. That would be cool, right? It's a step towards putting the power of software development directly into the hands of everyday users. But Playground isn't just about personalization, it's also about collaboration. The platform encourages users to remix and build upon apps created by others, hinting at a rise of a new democratized creator economy. Playground is taking a huge jump just to show us what smartphones can do, and more importantly, what users can do with them. Nothing's bold new move might just be the beginning of a revolution in how we interact with technology. So, which app idea do you want to try? Let us know in the comments. Hit that like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.